would have thought that pea protein can make a great vegan tortang talong? Let me show you how. We'll need 1 cup tofu, 1/4 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Sekaya pea protein, sprinkle of turmeric, 1/4 cup soy milk. Put everything in a blender and blend until smooth. Break your eggplants all over and place them on a stove over open fire. You have to char all sides of the skin until very black. Then you put them on a plate and cover for a few minutes. Once cool to touch, peel off the skin. Add the batter and gently mash the eggplant with a fork. On a pan, pour some oil and gently place the eggplant. Pour more batter all over. Fry until firm and golden. Gently flip to cook the other side. You want the batter to be darker in color. Flip again to evenly cook both sides. You can also skip the eggplant and just cook the batter. Now you have vegan tortang talong.